Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. So guys, recently I started teaching advanced Python in my YouTube channel. Till now we have completed three concepts: generators, decorators and meta classes. So now in this particular video, I'm going to focus on descriptors in Python, right? So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, now today we are going to begin part 9.3 descriptors. And I forgot to ask that how are you guys? I hope all are doing well. So it is the agenda that we have for today. So firstly, I'll teach you what is exactly descriptors in Python, and then we'll try to understand what is get method, set method and delete method in Python. Right? After that, I'll give you the examples of each and every method. So for these descriptors, the prerequisites are classes and objects. In the part number 6, I thought complete classes. I started from paradigm and ended with the encapsulation or something. Watch part number 6, and as well after completing part number 6, I have given a project which is banking system in Python. That project got more than 1300 views. So try to do that projects. Now let's see the what are descriptors. Python descriptors are created to manage attributes of different classes which use the object as reference. In descriptors, we used three different methods that are getters, setters and delete. If any of those methods are defined for an object, it can be termed as descriptor. Normally, Python uses methods like getters and setters to adjust the values on attributes without any special processing. Right? It is a basic storage system. So guys, basically we use this concept for the basic storage. Right? In that we are going to use getters, setters and delete. When we define value for an object, it can be termed as descriptor. Right? So now let's begin with the getters method. In this getter, we are going to use this get method. The get method is used to retrieve the value of an attribute. So guys, basically the syntax of getter is first tech2 underscore get. Yeah, it is the syntax for this getter, right? So before that, we need to create a class get method. Now in this get method, I'm going to define one init method. We can call it as default method also, self dot self comma value. I'm giving none value to this value. Now self dot value equal to, I'm passing value. I'm calling my class get method class. In this class, I'll pass one message got value for get method. Now we need to create object for the class. Obj equal to my class. Now I want to print a value here. Obj dot attribute. Yeah, 1 second, sorry, it's my bad. Yeah, you can see getting the value, got value for method. I hope you are understanding this. Yeah, see, it is printing firstly this line. After that, in this self value, we are passing this value get method. In the get function, we are passing this value got value for get method. So it will go to this class, and then after that it will assign a value to this self dot value, and then we are printing this self dot value here. After that, I created one more class. For this class, I have assigned a variable. In this assigned variable, I am passing my get method class. After that, I have created object for this class, my class, and then I am trying to get this attribute, I mean this variable value, right? It is a getter method. Now same like that, let's see the setter method. In this setter method, the set method used to set a value of an attribute. So guys, for this setter method, I have already created code for this. So see here. So firstly, I have created one class set descriptor. After that, I have added this init function. In this init function, I define self dot value. After that, I'm returning self dot value in this get method, and then I have created one more method for the setter. In this, I have passed self instance and value. Here if not instance, we'll get one error, value error. That means when we are passing this value, it should be string. If it is not string, it will give this error, it will raise this error, value error, must be a string. And then I created one more class. In this class, same like that, here I have assigned, right? Have assigned, and also I gave value to this class. But here I'm not giving any value to this class because the method is setter. We are setting value to this class, right? In this second class, I passed my class set descriptor. After that, I created object for this my class, and then object dot attribute. Here I'm giving value to this self dot value. Got it? So let me run it. Yeah, see, hello world. For example, if I remove this single quote, here I want to give 143. Yeah, you can see we are getting this value error. Value error must be a string. Got it? So we are setting value to this function, to this class. To this class, to this setter method. We are setting the value, but we are printing value from getter method only. Let me show you. Getting value. Yeah, you can see it is printing this getting value. With the get method, we can get the value which assigned to this variable. With this setter method, we are setting value here, right? The difference between getter and setter means in the getter we are getting the value, actually we are printing the value, right? But here in the setter method we are setting a value to this attribute and then we are returning the value from the getter method. It is a difference of setter and getter. Now let's see the delete. The delete method is used to delete the attribute. So guys, for the delete also I have written already code. See here, firstly we are defining one variable. Firstly we are defining one default method in it. In that I have created one variable self.value and then I'm passing value. Here I define one more method. This method is going to return the value which I am giving here, delete me. And then setter method, I'm setting a value. Here I'm not setting any value, I think so. In the delete method we are deleting this self.value. After that in the second class I'm passing my delete descriptor class. Got it? And then I created object, same like that. Print object dot attribute. First it is going to give this output delete me. And then I'm deleting my attribute. That's it. See, delete me, deleting attribute. Let me change here value assigned. Value assigned. See, value assigned. It is returning this value. And then after that we are deleting. With this method we are deleting this attribute. See here also I mentioned del object dot attribute. Del means delete. Now let me try to print object dot attribute. See, we are getting this error. Delete descriptor object has no attribute value, because here we are printing this value and then we are deleting this attribute. So there is nothing to print in this object dot attribute. So guys, it is very simple to understand. For the getter method we are getting the value from the class. Setter method we are setting value to this class method, and then with the delete method we are deleting the value which is assigned to an attribute, right? So guys, that's it for today. We are done with the lecture. In the next video I'm going to teach monkey patching in Python.